Test natin, WEG18 G4. Shoutout kay Sir Beno. So naka-sale pa rin to. So naka metal slide, polymer frame with full auto function, threaded outer barrel, non-slip grip. So magazine capacity is 26 rounds standard. WE is made in Taiwan. Ang price niya ngayon is 5,700. Test natin. $351, $330 auto. So yun, wala nang gas. Check nyo na lang guys sa folder natin.